Hello guys, welcome to our channel. Today I am going to show you how to add effects on Instagram Reels. Okay, so let's get started. Then first of all, click on Instagram app. Then tap on plus icon and click on Reel option. Okay, choose any videos or photos. Okay, then choose picture and just tap on this option, click and tap on all effects and special effects. Just click and show a special effect. Just click and add effects on Instagram Reels. That's all. Thanks for watching. Please like, comments and subscribe. Thank you.